Hey guys, today we're talking about how much it costs you to start your eBay dropshipping business. So getting right into the information, like we usually do on this channel, starting your eBay dropshipping business is technically free. Starting your PayPal is free, starting your eBay account is free, and creating eBay listings is free. So although it's technically free to start, there is some money you need. Now I know that makes no sense because I just said it's free. But pretty much you don't really need to spend money, you're not going to lose money, you just need money to start, if that makes sense. So you may or may not know about what is called PayPal jail. PayPal jail is a term that means that PayPal is holding your money away from you for a certain period of time and not giving you access to it. This is done for security reasons, so they know that you're not going to just sell someone an item and then run away without sending the actual product. But there is some light to the end of the tunnel, and as long as you do actually send those items and you provide tracking numbers to your eBay orders, you will get your money given to you. Once the tracking number alerts eBay and PayPal about the delivery being successful, you will get your money in 3 business days. So now what does that mean for you? Well, that means that when you start eBay, you do need some money because you're not going to be able to straight away send the products from your supplier using your customer's money. So let's say, just for example, you're selling an item on eBay for $30 and you can get it from Walmart for $20. When you make that sale, you're not going to have access to that $30 to buy the $20 item. So you're going to need to take $20 out of your own funding, ship the item, and when it arrives in 3 days you'll get the $30. Therefore, you're still making your $10. As long as you're doing this properly, you're not scamming people, and you are doing this once again 100% correct and you've looked into the research, you will not lose money. So straight away that means that yes, you do need money to start eBay, but however, depending on the items you're selling and how many you're selling, you will need a different amount from person to person. So now just letting you know, you can actually get out of PayPal jail and you can stop PayPal from holding your funds. However, you need to do this by proving to them that you are trustworthy. To do this, I'd say spend about 3 months just sending your orders through, providing the tracking numbers and doing as best as you can. Then when that happens, you can call them up, you can give them all the details you need, and you can prove to them that you are trustworthy. So then, hopefully, if they do think you're trustworthy, they will stop your money from being held from you, and straight away when you make a sale, you'll get your money. So due to PayPal jail, I think that when you start your business, you should have around $200. But if possible, the more the merrier. Remember that you're not going to lose money, and you are really just using it to get those first few orders through. Now this of course depends on the items. Obviously don't sell a $700 item if you only have $200 to start. So I'd recommend when you start, try and start with just the cheaper, smaller items. This will stop you from having to fork out money from wherever you can, which you didn't previously want to use for this business. So there you have it guys, that's how much money I think you should need. So I'd say a minimum of $200. However, do keep in mind it does depend on the items you're selling. Try not to let PayPal jail affect your business because do remember that if you wait until you have the funding to send through the item, they may not arrive on time, you'll get bad reviews, and it's just making it harder for PayPal to trust you. So now I hope you enjoyed the video guys, and I hope that you learnt something. If you have, make sure to smash the like button down below and subscribe if you want to see more. Click this video here if you want to see how I find my products. I'll see you in the next video guys, thanks for watching.